I'm out this morning doing a couple of errands. I'm out on my old 850 Commando. I've not been out on it for a spell, so just get it filled back for it again. I've just recently done head gasket on this bike. She was spitting a bit of oil out somewhere around head gasket, and to be quite honest I couldn't fin out just where it was. Well, a lot of the time it's two studs in front at bit pushrod tunnels. Oil tends to creep up them and come out somewhere around there. Well, it appeared to be coming out of there, but where the hell I'm not particularly right sure. Anyway, I couldn't find where it was, so I thought that's what we'd try. I just need to get a few miles on it so I can bring it back down. You know, normally they give me about 500 miles, but if I can get 100 miles on it, that'll do. I think when I've been doing it, I've rerouted clutch cable a bit different or something, because bike point up clutch is right against bars. So anyway, once I get it to where I can nip it down again, I'll let tank off, so I'll have a look at that then. Just sold a bit of crap on eBay, so got to slip to the post office and post my parcel off to get my ill-gotten gains. And pray knows, I looked at the shelf and I've had this Magnet Morelli or something dynamo. I've no idea where it come from. I've never had an Italian bike, so what the hell it come off, I've no idea. Somebody told me you can put them up Velas, but I've never had a Vela, so anyway, I saw a kid with a Falcon the other day and I asked him if he were interested in it. Anyway, he says I'll give him my telephone number, he'll give me a bell and pick it up. I tell him if he give me 20 quid for it, be as happy as a pig in shit. Just get rid of some more junk. When he jumped at it like for 20 quid, I would think I must have been a bit on cheap side. But anyway, needs must. That's my stuff posted. I keep thinking to give hand signals when it's got indicators on. Yes, it's first aid gasket I've ever done on a Commando, and I've heard people say it's a bit of a pain in the arse when it's into frame, and they're not kidding. It takes a bit of getting them push rods fed out push rod tunnels, and you need fingers like a spider. It says 2 people makes it a lot easier, and I guess it does. I'd just forgotten how good this old lass was. It's funny you don't ride them for a month or something, and then you get on it and you think, "Bah, that is a good bike." This bit of road I've just come up, there's quite a big police presence on it. I'm not 100% sure what they're doing, but I'm almost certain that they're practicing T-pack manoeuvres. Now I don't know if that means that, you know, they won't bother you or what like, but you know, you'll many a time see 2 or 3 cars, unmarked cars, and they always tend to be using that boxing manoeuvre. I reckon mid this week we might just get a bit of snow or a bit of sleet coming down from Scotland. Once they start getting salt hot roads, first sign at salt, that'll be it for these old lasses.